Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be sharing out another thing we tried out in our cake event in Calabar. This is just like a mini castle cake, or will I call it a church, how to build a church. Number one thing you need to know about this building is you need your carbon papers. You need to build everything, draw everything out before you start dressing it. For the carbon paper to stand, you need to stick your passage to your carbon paper. Yes, if you don't know how to make passage, it's in my channel. Feel free to go and check it out. After sticking all the carbon in your passage, you cut them out and separate them. Yes, when you separate them, you get a board. Use your fondant, or you can also use passage. Stick water to the board and you place your fondant or passage before you start assembling all that you have got already. Our instructor constructed many and he was able to arrange some, so we're going to arrange the rest in this video. And once again, another thing you need to know about lightning in castle cake is that you can use different lightning. Go to a light shop or where they sell electric bulbs. Ask for those Christmas lights. There are small lights. We use like Christmas light, the smallest one that has control where you can on them. You can see it's blinking on the table. That's what we use. First, we stick the base of the building. Yes, this is the base. Like I said before, first thing is to use carbon paper and cut out everything that you want. Draw and cut out. Draw, measure and cut out. You now use your passage and stick to all the carbon papers before you start building. Yes, after sticking to the carbon paper, you can now separate the carbon paper from the passage. You don't need to stick it, you just need to use the carbon paper and trace your passage. Passage is the firm, another type of fondant that is so firm and strong when it's dried. That is why it's normally used for castle cake. You can see him assembling the building right now. Due to he has cut it already with his carbon paper at home, what you're seeing standing is passage. Yes, but first you cut with your carbon paper before you use your passage to trace it and allow it to dry. He's trying to assembling it very okay with royal icing right here. That is what he is doing. For the window, you can use something like transparent leather, or there are so many things you can use. You can use paper. You can also use those for stable binding. If you're a student in the university, you know those paper, transparent paper for stable binding. Then you can also use it for the windows. Plus from the inside, you will see it will be showing the reflect of the light right inside. When you are done, you can when you're choosing your light, choose different colors so that when you're done, it will be giving different effect on the body of your work. Yes, that is what we're doing. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching Progressive Cakes, you're welcome to the channel. Feel free to be a part of this lovely family by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. It's important you give this video a thumbs up so that other people will be able to see it. You can see him sticking every part of the church. This is just like a church we are building today. Like I said before, all this has been traced out with carbon paper and passage at home before this D-Day. What he is doing is assembling it, because if we are to do everything right here, the passage will not be drying off easily. So he did this a day before coming to the event to assembling it. But with this little experience, you can try this. So as for the windows, you can see him trying to open them, yes. But the funniest part is some of the windows sticked back after he tried separating them before. Now he noticed they sticked back. Like I said, passage is like fondant, but it's a stronger form of fondant that is used for katsu cake, for building. Yes, it was so strong that he wasn't able to remove some windows. He struggled removing them out, but all the same he tried setting up the roof of the building. If you're a baker, you will know from baking you will learn construction work. You will learn carpentry work. You will learn a whole lot. So every baker needs to explore and take his or her baking to another level. Yes, you can see a little, it's looking little, but this is huge and big. These are all curvations that you can try on your closet. Yes, you can try this on your closet. I told myself I need to try this myself, and I'm gonna try my own soon. So get ready to be seeing one coming from me, because from this video I got a little big. It's looking little, but it's so big for me. How to assemble it. With this I can build a castle cake. I now know the things to do, what to try out, what to carve, and whatever. So I think with this, I think I need to try at least a mini castle cake, light castle cake. So feel free to check out and try out something on your own, because everything is just all about starting somewhere. Yes, you can see the reflection of the light, though he didn't close one of the window, but he closed one. So here he's using the rear icing to separate to show you that that place is covered, but it's just the reflect of the light you're seeing. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, feel free to share to your friends and family to try something out. Thanks a million for watching.